Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to mute someone on Instagram, ensuring your feed remains your happy place without unfollowing friends or creators. Whether it's temporary peace you seek or a permanent serene scroll, we've got you covered. Muting someone on Instagram allows you to stop seeing their posts or stories in your feed without unfollowing them. It's a discreet way to personalize your social media experience. Step 1. Navigate to the profile of the person you wish to mute. Step 2. Tap the following button. Step 3. Select mute. Here you have the option to mute just posts, just stories, or both. Toggle posts to mute their posts. To mute stories, simply tap and hold on their profile picture in the story bar. A pop-up menu will appear. Choose mute and then mute story. You can always reverse this by following the same steps. Curious about who you've muted? Go to your profile, tap the menu, select settings, then privacy and muted accounts. Here you can unmute anyone anytime. And there you have it. Mute away and tailor your Instagram feed to match your mood and preferences. For more social media tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep scrolling peacefully.